Welcome to GSTL people, and today I've got an E46 BMW and I'll be showing you how to remove the rear parcel shelf in there. So let me set my camera up and I will show you what to do to take that whole thing out and apart. Right, to remove the shelf, what we'll need to do is remove the headrests, and we need to remove speakers. So actually let's start with the speakers. So basically you just pop the cover up with the braid tool or something like that. It's just held in by little clips and it should come up easy. Try not to damage the plastic, but they will come up without a problem like that. That's what it's all held in with, these little clips, tabs. So once you get in that, you have 8mm bolts. I'm gonna go get the 8mm. So 8mm spanner, and they will just come out easy as. See, this is what you have in there, just these 8mm screws, and pull the speaker out. And this is the speaker, something 6.5, something like that, God knows. But you got to do exactly the same on the other side, so I'm going to proceed and do that. That's it. That's the speakers are gone. To be honest, I've noticed actually without the headrests it would be easier to remove the speakers, so I'm going to show you now how to remove these headrests. So get something like a punch or something like that, just so you can push through the middle of these tabs, and it pops out, little plastic thing like that. You just walk it in. You might lose some, so you might need the replacement. I'm getting two already so far, but you should be able to find them once you took the shelf off and done whatever you needed to do, or changing the shelf or interior or whatever the reason. For whatever reason you're doing it. So I'm gonna remove these things from here. That's what they look like, little tabs. So then when you lift it up, there is a little like a spring type of thing, not a spring but like a catch that you have to remove, and you go get a hook. Hopefully something like that will do the job for you. So you just pop them off. I'll show you because I lost them, and voila, the thing comes out. And well, I've lost them. I'm gonna try and get one from this side. Just stay with me. Basically, you need to pop things like these down there the end side, so that will release the headrest like that, and that's it, comes out like as it should. Then you've got one more thing left, is to remove these side pillars. So, well, I'm just getting blood on my headliner. Oh my god, but never mind. So get a grey tool in. Well, to be honest, you can pop the light out first, or you can pop it with the light together. I'm just gonna go and pop it with the light together like that, and then you just disconnect your light, and that's the side panel comes off. And the other side is exactly the same. And the side panel comes off. So the last bit, what you need to do is to remove the, this is actually not, this is going to be the last bit what you need to do to remove this thing. It is, you need to undo the seat belt, and the seat belts are under here, and it's the T, and I'll just find out in a second. So for your seat belt, it is T50. T50 is what you need, and I'll just undo this quickly. Two of these need to come out. Then what's left to do is basically what you do is you just kind of pull towards you, and voila, this is all out. Then you just push these things out, the clips, plastic things, these here, and what you do is you just slide them out from the side, out like that, and then feed it through the hole, and that's it. And that's your parcel shelf is completely removed, and you can do whatever you're doing with it. So I'm installing a custom parcel shelf in this, so I really hope it fits, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be crying. But I'm gonna have to be cutting these things off and all sorts of things. These are the ports for the speakers, where the speakers sit. I'm not gonna need them anymore. I'm gonna do proper sound treatment in here. I'm gonna sound in this whole rear deck, so it's nice and solid, but that's for later. But yeah, peeps, this is what you need to do to remove rear speakers, rear parcel shelf and headrest. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope it comes in handy for somebody. Like and share, people. Subscribe. Thanks for who's already subscribed and watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-ra.